Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Yeah. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got you spotted across the back. Drop the data, now we plotting. Exotic peas.
My name's Edwin Ariola. We're about to sneeze on people.
I'm about to sneeze. I miss you, Mom. Just been so alone lately. I think he's right here. He's right there. We got two cuffs down. I know, but he's with his like girlfriend or something. Just grab something. I might just write on this. No. Grab all this. You didn't like eat it, dude. Bro, what? What is this? Are you supposed to stand up? Oh, maybe it's your knees. Oh. Yeah. Bro, this is terrible. Alright. Yeah, it's just knee right on. Alright. Thoughts? Thoughts? Okay. Bro. No. Shoot. Alright, this one I got. I couldn't fit on the other one. Oh yes, this is perfect size. Alright, we're good. Do you have the Gatorade bottle? front of people. Why? Bro, go in front of me. Escort that guy. What is he doing? Is it too skinny of an aisle? I'll do it. Yeah, I'll freaking do it. Oh, yeah, you're fat. That's right. Where'd he go? Excuse me. He said, excuse me. And I just hit. I know. I heard it. Oh, yeah, I heard it. Dude, that's when we should have been wearing the mics. Oh well. Go do it to him again. You good, friends? Make sure you know that he sneezes that I got him. A sneeze on him?
Huh? Yeah, make sure he knows that you're sneezing.
No, dude. No, he's gonna like actually try to fight us. I can tell your future. Wait. What is this? It says that it can tell our future. Oh no, it's fine. Just go. Where's he at? Is he still down the same line? Crap. Dude, this hurts my butt. What are you doing? He's still down the same line. And then we're gonna go to the Coliseum place, alright? It's like right up there. Are you recording? Yeah, alright. Slow down, boy. I don't see anyone. Go. Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Let me get this girl, let me get this girl. Keep going, it's a green. No, dude! Okay, we're coming back down. That's a hard shot. Just keep going, keep going. That was actually good. We're coming back down now. And we'll go to the,
Alright, you want me to turn around right here?
No, keep going straight. There's like this Coliseum looking place. We'll go mess around there for a minute. What time is it?
6:13. Cold?
I didn't know they had a movie theater here. That's kind of sick.
That was too fun. So just go straight.
Yeah, go straight. Oh, wait, roll down your window. Dang it, dude. That would have been the perfect shot. Okay, so, turn right on the next drive.
I know.
It'd be the best spot for one, too. Shoot them hoes, boy. Shoot them girls. Ow! Dude, this would actually be a good spot for a slide ball pin one. Hey! Alright, I want you. Did that hurt? Hey, watch it. Watch it, boy. I know you're gonna try to steal the gun. No, I'm not. Oh my god. I didn't even think about that. Bro, we should just snipe people. We could just follow people and shoot them. Wait, run! Scat out of there.
And just run.
Dude, we should have had a bush.
No, I'm just kidding. And just run.
Oh, here's a guy. Hey, record. Get a shot of me shooting.
Not even looking. Oh, wait, they are looking. They look back.
Are they still looking?
No, you're good. Oh, they just looked.
Oh,
you're good.
Alright. Just a average night. Have it out the freaking. They're gonna think it's a real gun. I'll get this guy. Plus, he's like jogging, so he's not gonna know what the heck hit him. He's running. He's sprinting. Alright, slow down. Bro, what if he catches up to us at this red light? I ain't know. There's no way. Go! Dude, that was headshots. Hold on. Bro, it's a red light. Dude, that's a little kid. I'm not shooting him. I'll shoot the worker. Watch. Oh! Dude, did you not see him? Dude, that was the best one. I wish you would have got that, dude. That was actually the best one. No, right under his ear. Okay, we're gonna green light. Ready? None of them hit her. They all bounce on the car. They all
was definitely
bounce
like,
on
what
her car. Chuck, go into this truck. We're making it. Just gas it, right? No! Shoot. No! Holy crap.
I'm pushing P.